sunburn ready now. I'm leaving at 7:30 and I am going for sunburn, not Goa. It's Pune this time. So this is my bag, the only bag. I have all my stuff and I have more bags in the car. I put them yesterday. These are the other things I have with me right now. And I'm late. I was about to leave by 7. That's a cliche thing, right? I'm always late. So guys, I took my Honda City out because I took my Indica. I'm taking my Indica to this place, to Sunburn, Pune. So that's my Honda, and I took it off. Now I have to get my Indica down. I have to park my Honda again. And this is how we do it. Should not get any traffic, that's it. Other things I'm not bothered with. I have to mount the GoPro. So we are Pune bound and nothing else. Let's go. Fucking late. Like it's 7:30 and there's gonna be so much traffic. And it's gonna be fuck up. It's gonna be a fuck up. Man used to come so early. He's the guy who manages our swimming pool in the building. So he used to come by 7:30. Man, that's hard. And put the belt because not because I always put it, but last time when I had not put it for some like 5 minutes or 10 minutes in my vlog with my mom to Nashik, a person had just said that take safety precautions or whatever he said, he meant that just put your seat belt while driving. So I always put it when I am like going for long drives, not when I am just going from Kandivali to Borivali or Kandivali to Malad. I also put it when I'm going from Kandivali to Vile Parle. So yeah, that's my building. And yeah, let's leave. Peace. Took a left turn from Santa Cruz and now I'm on the Chembur Link Road. Oh fuck! It's going to provoke a migraine. Fire Service Academy. So now we are taking a right turn for Eastern Express Highway. Then we'll see what happens. This road was dope, by the way. When you take the left turn from Santa Cruz, the road is like makhan. Wow, Sauli. मला सावली केवढी आवडते. Hi guys. So this road is the road. It's like the best road. Yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, this road is a sexy road. very sexy road. Like for a long patch, it starts like from BKC. Like when you go ahead from Santa Cruz on the Chembur Link Road, Santa Cruz Chembur Link Road. When you take the bridge from BKC, you just go straight for the Eastern Express Highway. The road is fantastic. I'd come like with my Z250 as well. That was way better. Like way better as in the difference between the car and the bike is there. And if you have a Kawasaki, you get the real experience of a bike. And on such roads, it is definitely very dope to ride a bike. So yeah, just hold on for a second, guys. I think I have to take the right turn. Wow, man, the road! I need you right now. I need you right now.
Congestion 3 kilometers next stop on the Foster Street.
Oh, fuck, there is traffic ahead. I can see that on Google Maps. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. By the way, I go to Claire because it's fucking sunny. Down. You don't know that. Don't let me down. Think I'm losing my mind now. It's in my head. I need you the most. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me Wow! I hope you guys can see the scenery I'm showing you guys. Oh, wow, that is so dope. Can you look at it? Can you look at it? Now can you look at it? Now can you look at it? I hope y'all can look at it. I hope y'all can look at it. If yes, give me a high five. Give me a high five. Okay, I'm fucking up. So basically, that's the something scene. It can be the Arabian Sea. I'm bad at this, man. Sorry. But it looks so fucking dope. Okay, so I rode my Z250 on this road like for my Lonavala vlog before I got lost, before I met the other Kawasaki guys. Yeah. Oh my god, traffic. Too much traffic, guys. See the Google Maps also says there is traffic. The red line, the red area shows that there is traffic. Fuck. Google Maps is dope, by the way. Okay, bye guys. See ya. Peace out. But I stopped for the mount sticking thing and to pee, but I didn't pee because I don't like to pee on the road. god. I'm on the verge, on the extreme verge to pee, but I still didn't pee because there was a small girl, like, behind the bushes there were houses, so she was very far away, but still, I avoided it. Observe lane discipline. Let's go. I'm on the speed of 90 and 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, we cross 100. Yippee! The road is brilliant. The road is actually very, very nice. I don't know if you guys can see the road besides me, but it's actually dope. Like, it's smooth as fuck. And I'm coming on this expressway like after many years, because I traveled to Goa. I used to travel to Goa, to my village. Nowadays I've not been to my village like since 2 years, I guess. So one second. Yeah. So I've not been to on this road for like quite a while. So this road is amazing. You just run your car. Bikes are not allowed in this road, which is a problem. Have this road. So now, right now, I am just feeling this road. Man, it's just nice to cruise your car. I'm not talking about the cruise control, just cruising your car, because Indica doesn't even have cruise control. Okay, so, oh fuck, I'm driving like a maniac. Because people are driving like maniacs. They are on the right side and they are driving slow on the expressway. Dumbasses. Wow rails. So yeah, this road is amazing. So I had to take the bypass when I came on the bike, but I didn't. I guess 24 season 2. Some scenes were shot near this tunnel. Yes, they were. If they get down over here, like him, Anil Kapoor and the terrorist, and they go in this chadi or something like that. Man, this road is amazing, yaar. Just sexy, because he's fucking trapping us from driving fast. Because he should be on the left side if he's on the moderate speed. God knows what these people do. Keep the GoPro यहाँ पे, because I think this cover might be hiding my face. Fuck. Now the lens has gone down. Fuck it. Can't even take this over. I have a problem. Like, I have this migraine shit, big migraine shit, and I can't bear the sun. It's impossible for me to bear the sun. I get migraine attacks and stuff. Not migraine attacks, but my head starts aching like hell. It's bad. My god. Are you kidding me? I thought the toll is closed, but you have to go to the next booth. It's like for 195? Oh fuck, dude. 195 rupees, are you kidding me? Fuck. Peeps are crazy around here. By the way, I came from the middle thing. So the middle thing was from the middle line. I came early. The right side one, everyone was pushing because there were less cars, but they were like stalled. So guys, that was not the tunnel I took while coming on the bike. See, I filled the petrol pump over here, on the right hand side, over here, oh what the fuck, over there, and expressway. He's just turning his scooty. Man, what the fuck? Fuck, dude. These people are crazy. So where was I? Yeah. So this was the petrol pump. Till here I came, and then I just saw the Khopoli exit from this road. Like on this road, I saw the Khopoli exit. But still, cars were coming on the wrong side on the Khopoli exit. Bikes were coming. But that cop just caught me that day. When I didn't even know. And when there is no fucking board, like bikes are not allowed. Okay, you should know it. That's true. But if you don't know, there should be a board. I have to overtake from the left hand side. The worst thing anyone could do on the expressway is to be done, because on the right hand side they are just riding, they are just driving on a constant speed of fucking nothing and not letting us go. So everyone is overtaking from the left hand side, which is so wrong, but we have to do it. Eeks. So now the tunnel would come, which I took on the C250. Yeah, I know I'm looking weird because of the glass. I am weird. It is meant for whatever reason. La 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 la. BMW guy peeing on the road. I peed. By the way, I got to pee. Everyone was peeing, so I also peed. What's wrong in that? We are Indians after all. Let's run. Let's run. 1, 2, 3. We're reaching our. By the way, I went till 140 right now. Like before. I should have fucking locked it, but I did not. At the speed of 100 right now. I'll try to go on the speed of, on a turn, on a nasty turn, I was at the speed of 120. Feels dope. Okay, now I'm running it. I'll try to go and reach 140 kmph, but there are trucks, I can't do it. Huge trucks. I can't fucking, oh my god. I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. So guys, this is the tunnel. The tunnel we approaching. This is the tunnel we are approaching. We'll be approaching is the tunnel I took on the bike. This one is it. I guess it's not on this way. It's on that way. Like while coming back, the tunnel is there. The right hand side, you can see there are rocks. Okay. That's a tunnel covered with rocks. Oh, Santa Claus cap guy. Okay, that's where the cars are going. Inside the mountain. You can call it a mountain. Okay, fuck. Wow, man. I love these roads. Orgasm. Such dope roads in India. Kerala also has good roads.
Traffic is improving. You will now arrive at 11:17 a.m.
Oh wow. Traffic कम हो गया. Party monster. Listen to weekend.
I just need a girl who gon' really understand. I just need a girl who gon' really understand.
Yeah, that's true. You need a girl who really understands you.
It's been a while now, I'm mixing up the drink.
Okay, so the speed limit should be 80. But okay, I am on full acceleration on the 5th gear. Indica has 5 gears. I've crossed 140. Going for 150. Still not reached. The car is shaking. You can feel it. The GoPro is shaking. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. It's. Oh yes. Let me just. 150. We reached 150. I reached 150. Man, that's a Merc, which is like convertible, or it won't be convertible, but it is ऊपर से खुला वाला Merc. Looks dope, man. And it is, oh man, it is a It is so flat. Fuck man, speed breakers will be killing the car. Like bad. But the car looks dope. That's a Harley biker with a Harley Davidson and a Harley Davidson jacket. So the Harley rider, he's gone ahead. He has a AGV helmet and Harley Davidson jacket and stuff. Tracks also might be Harley Davidson, but jacket is for sure Harley Davidson. It has Harley Davidson written on it. I don't know which Harley Davidson is that one. Hey, on the way I showed you guys the Mercedes Benz which was convertible. Now the battery is low. So there is a Chandni Chowk, Chandni Chowk, sorry, Chandni Chowk in Pune as well.
Excuse me,
And I've reached Pune, Kothurud. I have to go to FTI, the Royal Enfield showroom. I have to go to FTI, I'm going to stay at my brother-in-law's place. And yeah, so the building is near FTI. Oh, the speed breakers are so different. Oh my god. The car just flew. So, fuck you man. So yeah, it shows just 16 minutes are left for me to reach, which is like so dope. And what I was saying, people are dumbasses man. After the expressway ended, all these, oh man, orange signal and I took the car ahead. Fuck. I hope cops don't catch me here because I don't have the insurance policy. Yeah. So I took off the GoPro because of the Harley Davidson. Now I'm not attaching it. I just want to go and get ready for sunburn because it starts by 12 and I have to reach there as soon as possible. Actually, I don't want to go in the dhoop. But let's see. MACD. So this is like my first official time I'm in Pune. I was a kid when I would have come in the city. I had come 2 years back just to see FTI with my college. And Pune, yeah, that's it. So I've not been in Pune alone, though I've never been. So this is my first time alone in Pune, and Pune is also new for me. So it's like first time in Pune. So yeah, these guys were driving on the right hand side of the road, which is like pathetic, and they were like so slow. They were heavy. These were heavy vehicles with so much stuff with them. And now 1 second guys. So I'm going to Sunburn alone for now. Let's see if I meet someone over there, but probably none of my friends are coming. One reason, it's in Pune. Second reason, they don't have the cash to buy the passes. And third reason, they don't have a clue of where they stand in their life. No, I don't know why are they not coming. Like many people are not coming. Many friends of mine who normally go to them. But some are like Pune. Pune है तो क्या Sunburn? तुम लोग को Sunburn से मतलब है ना? Pune है तो क्या? And Pune is also, I've heard, as I'm being in Pune for the first time, I've just heard Pune is a good place to party and stuff, and for chill outs and for nightlife. Pune is also as good as, it won't be as good as Mumbai of course, but I've heard it is comparatively cool. And yeah, so first of all, Sunburn has this stay order, so let's see what the nikal is. My god, scooty riders are like pathetically pathetic. Like pathetically pathetic. I hope you get it. अरे ये है most wanted मुंडा. There are like fucking so many showrooms and so many eateries over here, like Subway, McD and stuff. And people are staring at me because I'm just talking, and they don't know. They should understand that I'm talking on the Bluetooth with someone. Pune's FM is dope, like Marathi chicks speaking, and their voice is so sweet, and they're speaking in Marathi. Wow, I admire those people. I didn't know I would admire people who speak in Marathi because I love people. Now Pune people will speak in Marathi, and that's good because I love Maharashtrians, because I'm a Marathi and I love Marathis because Marathis are the best. Not because I am, but they are actually the best. And yeah, so I'm in the city. Let's see Google Maps. Okay, it shows 12 minutes, and there's moderate traffic beach mein. Otherwise the road is Saks. I have to just go straight, right? Yeah, I have to just go straight. The building's name is what? I don't know, and I won't even say it on the blog. What's up, guys? So I left my place.
West Route, despite usual traffic, you will arrive at 4:28 p.m.
Okay, dude. So now
200 meters, turn left onto Prabhat Road. Turn left towards Prabhat Road.
So I'm leaving for Kesananda Hill, Sunburn, and I'll wear the
200
belt.
meters, turn left onto Prabhat Road.
Yeah, I'm wearing my new
Turn left onto
H&M
Prabhat
Justin
Road.
Bieber Purpose Tour tee, which is a limited edition tee from H&M. I got it. Luckily, I got it. Stocks were like about to go, about to be sold off. I have to take a left turn. And people don't wear helmets here. And there are many scooty guys here. There is this area near my building which is
In 300
near the building I'm
meters,
staying,
turn right.
which is just for scooty guys. No cars can enter. They have like big huge poles which do not let the car enter. And so it's a new t-shirt for Sunburn specially. I got it, I bought
Turn
it.
right onto Law College Road.
And now I'm near the Law College Road. Something beautiful. Okay, there is Barista in front of me. There was CCD back there. I've not had lunch, so that is a problem. So let's see what. I'll see if I find some place where I can get lunch on the way. Because I can't waste time parking my car in the building, going, having something at CCD, then coming back and driving the car. Because it was actually 12, but later I chilled because I got a message from Book My Show saying it will start post 3, the Sunburn event. So I just slept for some time because I didn't get good sleep, but I still didn't get any good amount of
600
sleep.
meters. At the roundabout, take the
I
first
just got
exit.
20 minutes sleep, but that was okay. Just check that out, guys. I don't know if you could see that. That's a Kirki War Cemetery. No idea about it, but it was very beautiful. Google Map has leaded us to Google Map has leaded me to this village area. I knew it is situated near a village area, but I thought I would go by some road which will like directly lead me to Sunburn. But I got trapped in this traffic and on this small road, this small village road, and I'm just fucked up. I'm hungry. Oh, I guess I see a road there. and there are no boards of sunburn, like if sunburn is there or not. Oh, I see some guys here who have dressed up. Oh yeah, there were like 3-4 chicks stacked up in the car and 2 more guys. So yeah, I am on the right road, but
Turn left, then turn right.
turn left and then turn right. Okay. Oh yeah, this is the highway I guess. Sunburn Festival Straight. Sunburn Festival Straight. Finally there is a board here. So my god, so much traffic is because of Sunburn, and it's very far, yeah. From Pune city, from FTII, it's very far. But this is, I guess, the Ahmednagar highway, Pune Ahmednagar highway, Pune Ahmedabad highway. Sorry, my bad. Okay. Dude, there was a board earlier. Later, when I came at the next signal, the Sunburn boards were torn. Right? It's that fucked up over here. There are some foreigners also. Are they coming to Sunburn as well? If you can see, they're there. No, the GoPro won't be seeing that. But yeah, I saw a Z1000 by the way in Pune city, where I'm staying. Oh, there, man, Z1000 looks stunning. Because I could see the yellow frame, but the main thing of the arrow right, left, straight was torn. But yeah, I'm on the right road finally, and I hope I reach on time. I have to go to the box office. Then the box office I have to give this normal Sunburn ticket, like the Book My Show ticket, and change it into a band or something. There will be like so much line over there, and it will be pathetic. I have to park my car first, then I have to go there. Like for that I have to find parking. Then I'll go there. Then I'll bring the band. Then again I'll go in the car. The box office is at some other place, and the location where the venue is for Sunburn is at some other place. So it is going to be epic. Guys, I can see the location from here, and it looks dope. It is on the hills. It is on the hills, and it is that side, and it looks freaking dope. So guys, you can see the traffic ahead of me. That's the path. This is nothing, like y'all can't see any traffic actually over here. So I'm here at the box office, about to change my pass and make it into a band. Oh fuck, dude. See the rush. It's fucked up. So it's been like 1.5 hours, I'm still in the line, and this is the fucking rush. And it's fucked up. Fuck Sunburn. I was there for 2 hours in the line, more than 2.5 hours. More than 2 hours. It was like 2.5 hours, and this is the rush. And it's fucked up. And I'm leaving. We got 1,000 rupees ka refund because of this shit, and that is where we have to go. This was just the box office, so it's that big of a fuck up. So that's the fucking rush over there, and I'm fucking going for the car. Man, 2 hours rush, 2.5 hours. So now can't even get out, so we have to go walking Uber and trek. So that's how it is. So this is the thing, even cars are fucked up. You can't even take the cars. Man, see the halat of the car, dust se bhara hua. It's fucked up, dude. Can't go by cars because there is traffic. Going walking, there's this temple which they were talking about. They have this temple, so Sunburn should not happen. So going walking, my head is aching a lot. So guys, you can see how people just walking and climbing this mountain.
लेकिन तो और थक जाएगा जितना नहीं, ये बहुत दूर से
guys are climbing this as well. So that is where the cars have been stuck up. It's fucked up. So now we're climbing. Let's go, man. Sunburn just fucked us, man. Fucking dust. And then climbing. So now finally can see something. From the distance you can see the whole fucking city. Now going in. Playing alone and the whole crowd is there over there for tanning. It's fucked up. No one has reached there or what. No one knows. But it's fucked up.
Everyone, louder! Time
know if you guys can hear my voice. Here are some other normal DJs, like a local DJ is playing again. Some Indian DJs. That side there's one more DJ and more is standing over there. It's fucked up.
you're having a good time, please count with me. 1, 2, 1.
मुंबई तो है बाप।
अरे मुंबई पुणे हैदराबाद सब चॉइस है, बहुत दूर हो जाएगा इसलिए मैं गया नहीं।
मुंबई इज नेक्स्ट लेवल। पुणे भी कंपेयर भी नहीं होता है। मैं रहता हूँ इसके लिए नहीं, तो मुंबई एक्चुअली नहीं देंगे।
सब देंगे यार।
यार वो दोनों कहाँ हैं?
अबे भाग। अरे पाय में घास झाला ये नाही इकडं झालं नुसतं पाय खाली. So my shoes are fucked up. So we got down from that motherfucking mountain. The cars are moving as like ants. The cars are moving like ants on the mountain.
एक 30 का तो पक्का है.
हाँ. So going for the after party at a house of Medici, which is in eastern part of Pune, I suppose, which is under Westin,
In 200
and we are
meters,
reaching
you
there.
will arrive at your destination.
Mundwa, Solapur Road, Gorpadi. Oh, Solapur Road. So this is Westin and Onyx.
You have arrived.
So we are at Westin.